We're not going to make promises we can't keep. We're not going to do what Fine Gael did. We're not going to stand on that proverbial truck in the square in Roscommon and tell you what you want to hear, and then as soon as we get into government, completely forget it, rip up all the promises and go a completely different path. We will come with a manifesto that's costed, that's really ambitious, and that responds to where people are at the moment. And I have to say, really, the discussions we've had in the last 3 months have been really good around it.
Okay, will there be any proposal to cut taxes for workers?
There will be proposals around taxation, definitely. Absolutely. You have to, the burden of taxation is still too high, but they will be made realistically, and they'll have figures to back them up so that people will know where they stand.
Okay, so Fianna Fáil will be making some sort of pledge in the area of cutting people's tax burden.
We'll be making proposals around tax and around changing the tax system. I don't, the documents are very early on yet, but we are all acutely aware. We're taxpayers ourselves. Yeah. We don't live in a bubble, and we know ourselves the burden that goes out, and we want to try and do it. But it's January 2015. We've got to see where the economy is going this year before we start making those kind of promises.